Title: The Secret in the Forest. Emma was 11 years old when she first discovered the path behind her grandmother's house. Every summer, she spent the holidays in a quiet village surrounded by hills, fields, and an ancient forest that no one dared to enter. The grown-ups said it was just a forest like any other, but children whispered stories about strange lights and hidden doors. One cloudy afternoon, while exploring the garden, Emma noticed that part of the hedge had thinned out. Behind it, almost hidden by vines and tall grass, was an old wooden gate she had never seen before. It creaked as she pushed it open, revealing a narrow trail winding into the forest. Her heart beat faster with excitement and fear, but curiosity pulled her forward. The deeper she went, the quieter the world became. Birds stopped singing, and the wind held its breath. Emma felt like the trees were watching her. Then she saw a tree with symbols carved into its bark, glowing faintly green. She stepped closer and placed her hand on one of the symbols. Instantly, the ground trembled, and a door appeared at the base of the tree. Without thinking, Emma opened it and crawled inside. What she found was not darkness, but a tunnel lit by soft golden lights. At the end of it was a round room filled with books, strange tools, glowing stones, and a tiny creature. It looked like a fox, but with wings and emerald eyes. "You're not supposed to be here," the creature said gently, "but maybe you're the one we've been waiting for." Emma blinked. "Me? Who are you?" "My name is Lira. I'm the guardian of the old forest. Long ago, humans and magical creatures lived in peace. But when people stopped believing, the forest closed itself. Now it waits for someone pure of heart to reopen the bond." Emma listened carefully. She was no longer afraid. She felt like she had been chosen for something important. Over the next few weeks, Emma returned to the hidden room again and again. Lira taught her about the forest secrets, the healing plants, and the animals that could speak if you knew how to listen. Emma learned how to care for the land and how to protect it. One morning, Lira looked at Emma seriously. "The forest is ready. You must decide, return to your world, or become its new guardian." Emma thought about her parents, her school, her life in the city, but also about the peace she felt here, the beauty she never imagined, and the feeling of being part of something greater. "I choose the forest," she said. And from that day, the villagers noticed the forest began to change. Flowers bloomed longer, birds sang sweeter, and lost travelers somehow always found their way home. They didn't know why, but they felt safe again. Only Emma, the girl who found the hidden door, knew the truth. And deep in the forest, beside the tree with glowing symbols, her laughter could still be heard.